Hi, my name is Alan with McCall, and today we're going to be talking about your air duct system and how our air duct cleaning will help benefit you guys the most. Most homeowners don't even realize how necessary duct cleaning is to maintaining a clean duct system and clean airflow as it circulates throughout your home. Today, I'm going to be walking you through the process of what to expect when you call McCall and ask us about details pertaining to duct cleaning and maintaining clean airflow. So when you call McCall, we're going to get you guys scheduled in at a time that works best for you and is most convenient. And from there, we're going to send out a technician who has one goal in mind, and that is to make sure that the air quality in your home is as clean as it can possibly be when he leaves. The first thing we're going to be doing when we arrive is we're going to hook up a negative airflow vacuum. This super vacuum is going to be responsible for pulling all of the air and dust through your supply vents, which will be normally blowing air out, but in this case, we'll be sucking air in. As the air is flowing back towards the vacuum, it's going to be collecting and containing all of that dust and debris. None of this dust and debris is going to be exiting the vacuum in any capacity. It's going to be caught in a special filtration that is going to be designed specifically for our super vacuum. The next step in this process is going to be the cleansing of your ductwork itself. Each supply line is going to have an agitation device run up into it that will gently whip around and remove the dust and debris that has built up in that particular duct line. As the air is now returning back to our HEPA vacuum through your supply lines, all that dust and debris will be trapped and contained in a special HEPA filtration system. Our air duct cleaning process can remove up to 97 to 99% of the contaminants and debris that is built up in your ductwork. We can also sanitize your ducts once they have been cleaned. We don't administer harsh chemicals into your ductwork. What we do use is a family-friendly and pet-safe solution to properly and safely administer into the ductwork. Our sanitizing process is going to help eliminate all the microbials, germs, and bacteria that has been building up and growing inside of your ductwork. Our sanitizing process will keep your ducts clean and free of microbials and bacteria up to 2 years. If you have a dusty home and want to eliminate some of the main causes for poor air quality inside of your home, call McCall for a free estimate.